like to demonstrate how you can use the console, or the LogCat as it's referred to in Android Studio, to look up some values and use it for testing. So we had our three buttons that each linked to three different on-click events or event handlers. And I'm going to go to my code here. So we had the click SMCC, the click ASU, and the click NEU. I've added a new function called show campus, in which what I want to do is have all three buttons use this function rather than those three. And we have our variable v, which is the target, the android.view.view. That's the button that was clicked. And so I created a value called btn target, reference it as a button, and I'm referencing v here as button. And then I'm going to create a variable called caption, and it's going to get btn target.text.toString. So, but I'm not quite sure what that text is. Is that truly the caption, or is that the ID? I'd like to find that out. So I'm going to add a call here to the log.I, and notice in the help information here, it needs a tag and a message. The tag is really, think of as a label. So I'm going to say button caption. And then my value string is simply going to be caption. I need to import the log. And so my tag again is button caption. What I'm going to display is caption. Now I need to go back to my activity, and I'm going to change each of these buttons to use show campus. In fact, I could then go back to my main activity. I no longer need these. I could delete them or comment them out. I'm just going to delete them. So we now know it's definitely using the show campus if anything happens. Let's test in the emulator. I'm going to bring up the LogCat at the bottom and click SMCC. And you'll see I get here button caption SMCC, button caption ASU, button caption NAU. So it is truly, the text truly is the caption of the button. Now I can use that in my code to have it do something. And I can use a when structure, much like a switch case structure. So when, and I'm just going to look at caption. In fact, I'm going to take, just to be safe, I'm going to say caption dot uppercase, since we're going to do a comparison here. And when that is SMCC, we can specify TV hello, unwrap that, and we're going to set text to get string r.string.smcc. And then I'll just simply say if it's ASU, we'll set the text to ASU, and if it's NAU, we'll set the text to NAU. And that needs to be lowercase. I'm going to go back to my emulator. I'm going to apply changes and restart the activity. Click SMCC, ASU, and NAU. So now all three of those buttons are using the same method, and we're using a when structure to look up what the caption is and apply the appropriate text. If you just jumped into this video, you can see all the videos from the Android App Development Cohort playlist by clicking on the image in the lower right. And if you'd like to be alerted to future videos that I create, you can click my picture up in the top right and subscribe to the channel.